when you install the aftermarket cage, you're bound to have a few spots that ain't right on there. Like this one right here. The rest of them look pretty good. So what I usually do is I go through and try to put in all the bolts I can and save the spot that's off for last. So I'm gonna go through there and do that real quick. So for those spots that are a little bit off, it's going to be necessary to have a tool kind of like this. Can't remember what they're called. You can get them at Harbor Freight. But you're just going to go over here, do the holes off, and pop it over. After you get it pushed over, drop a bolt in there, take it out. Drop the next bolt in there, tighten them up. Up front here, we're going to have to do the same thing. Got a little bit bigger gap up here. So here I'm going to try to put the bottom one in first. Make it easier. Kind of hard to do this by yourself, but it can be done. See if I can pull that down real quick. There we go. First one just slides right in there. And that's that. You got your cage on there, ready to ride. Just make sure you torque those bolts down to the factory spec on the cage. And that's all it takes.